Hello everyone, this is MAMTA MUND and today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 15 of exercise 3D of chapter 3. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve exercise 3D questions 1 to 15 of chapter name is Playing with Numbers and topics are test for divisibility, prime factorization and finding prime factors. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 4th bit 5500. We have to check this number 5500 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11 or not. First we will check the number 5500 is divisible by 2 or not. We know any number is divisible by 2 if the last digit or unit place digit of the number is divisible by 2. That is, the number is even, then the number is divisible by 2. Last digit is 0, which is divisible by 2. 0 is divisible by 2, so the number 5500 is divisible by 2. Now we will check the number 5500 is divisible by 3 or not. Divisibility of the number 3. We know sum of digits of the number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Here sum of digits of the number 5500 is 5 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0 and 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So 5500 is not divisible by 3. Now we will check the number 5500 is divisible by 4 or not. We know last two digit of the number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Last two digit of the number 5500 is 00 and 00 is divisible by 4. So 5500 is not divisible. 5500 is divisible by 4. Now we will check the number 5500 is divisible by 5 or not. Now last digit of the number is divisible by 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Here last digit of the number 5500 is 0 and 0 is divisible by 5. So 5500 is divisible by 5. Now we will check the number 5500 is divisible by 6 or not. 6 is the multiplication of 2 and 3. So if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Here first we will check the number 5500 is divisible by 2 or not. The last digit is 0 and 0 is divisible by 2, so the number 5500 is divisible by 2. Now we will check the number is divisible by 3 or not. Here sum of digits of the number is 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 is not divisible by 3. So this number 5500 is not divisible by 3. So 5500 is divisible by 2, but the number 5500 is not divisible by 3. So the number is not divisible by 6 because this number is only divisible by 2 only. So this number is not divisible by 6. 5500 is not divisible by 6 because 5500 is divisible by 2, but 5500 is not divisible by 3. Now you will check the number is divisible by 8 or not. If the last 3 digit of the number is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. The last 3 digit of the number 5500 is 500 and 500 is not divisible by, we divide 500 with 8. 8 7 56, 8 6 48, 2, 8 2 just 60. For the remainder. So 500 is not divisible by 8. So 5500 is not divisible by 8. Now you will check the number is divisible by 9 or not. If the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Sum of digit is 5 plus 5, which is 10, and 10 is not divisible by 9. So this number 5500 is not divisible by 9. Now we will check the number 5500 is divisible by 10 or not. We know 10 is the multiplication of 2 and 5. So if the number is divisible by both 2 and 5, then the number is divisible by 10. The last digit of the number, first we will check the number 5500 is divisible by 2 or not. The last digit, that is uniplus digit of the number, is 0, and 0 is divisible by 2. So this number 5500 is divisible by 2. Now you will check the number 5500 is divisible by 5 or not. The last digit, that is uniplus digit of the number 5500 is 0, and 0 is divisible by 5. So 5500 is divisible by 5. Now 5500 is divisible by 2 and 5500 is divisible by 5 both. So this number 5500 is divisible by 10. Now we will check the number 5500 is divisible by 11 or not. We know sum of the digits at even place and sum of the digits at odd place is differ by 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Here sum of the digits at odd place is 5 plus 0 and sum of the digits at even place is 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 0 is divisible by 11. So 5500 is divisible by 11. Now it is found that the number 5500 is divisible by 2 because the last digit is 0 which is divisible by 2 and sum of the digits of the number 5500 is 10 which is not divisible by 3. So this number 5500 is not divisible by 3 and last two digit of the number is 00 which is divisible by 4. So this number 5500 is divisible by 4 and 5500 is divisible by 5 because last digit is 0 which is divisible by 5. Now the number is divisible by 6 or not. If the number 5500 is divisible by 2 because its last digit is 0 which is divisible by 2 and the sum of digits is 10 which is not divisible by 3. So if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3 then the number is divisible by 6. Here 5500 is divisible by 2 but the number is not divisible by 3. So this number 5500 is not divisible by 6. Now we will check the number is divisible by 8 or not. Now here 500, last three digit of the number is 500 which is not divisible by 8. So this number 5500 is not divisible by 8. And the sum of digits at sum of the digits of the number 5500 is 10 which is not divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. Now we'll check the number is divisible by 10 or not. This number is divisible by 2 because last digit is 0 which is divisible by 2 and the number is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0. So the number is divisible by both 2 and 5. So this number is divisible by 10. Now sum of the digits at odd place and sum of the digits at even place difference is 5 minus 5 is 0 which is divisible by 11. So this number 5500 is divisible by 11. So 5500 is divisible by 2, 4, 5, 10 and 11 and 5500 is not divisible by 3, 6, 8 and 9. subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.